Now's your chance to build a brand new Bloomfield home, introducing Mockingbird Heights in Midlothian, one of the top destinations in Texas. Mockingbird Heights is located near Mockingbird Lane near Midlothian Pkwy, with easy access to highways 67 and 287, just a short drive from major cities such as Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, and quick access to DFW Airport. Here we are building all of our Classic Series homes, including our featured floor plan, the Seabury 2. This is a great two-story design with so many options so you can personalize the home to fit your needs. There are 5 to 6 bedrooms with a dining room and butler's pantry, an optional media room on the first or second level, and an upstairs game room. And the J-swing garage and driveway is a very popular design with a lot of homeowners. There's a variety of home sites to choose from here in Mockingbird Heights, some with enough room to allow for a 3-car garage. In addition, you have the luxury of both gas and electric utilities. Bloomfield Homes is one of the largest and most trusted home builders in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. No builder includes more luxury standard features at the base price than Bloomfield Homes. This is a small, quiet community with a playground, basketball court, and soccer field. Children living in the neighborhood will attend the highly sought-after Midlothian ISD, and Midlothian Heritage High School is nearby. Don't miss this opportunity to build your dream home right here in Midlothian in Mockingbird Heights.